Good morning, friends.
Good morning. Burn my eyes.
I know the sun is burning your eyes. It's okay. Good morning, friends. Lele, no, Buki. Guys,
got the BMWs out.
got they BMWs out this morning.
Yup.
Buki, come here. Now, y'all.
The weather broke, y'all, so it's hot outside, feeling good. You ready to ride, Gio?
All right, you guys.
They got the same bikes.
So Legend's bike is little, but they all BMWs, and we didn't realize it was this small.
It's
but
gonna be that small. But
we just wanted them all to have BMWs, and it said it go up to the age 3, but Legend looked like he gonna pick that up with one hand. But we decided to go ahead and keep it though, because he'll get through the summer, I guess.
Yep. Yep. He's got the keys. He's gonna crank it up.
All right, go ahead, Louis.
Which one is this?
Gio, go get on your bike.
This one is.
Haven't you been waiting for this?
This one, Louis.
Good morning, Shania and Chance.
Louis got the blue key, so we'll leave this. So let's see. Leave it on.
Somebody's on. Get on, Lele. Get on. Uh-oh.
Break up.
Uh-oh. Get on, Louis. Don't go nowhere. Get on. Sit on it.
Wait, don't go.
Wait. He ready. I think we should put Louis and Legend in the front.
Yeah.
Legend, you go first. No, Legend in the back. Put Legend in the back. Come on, Lele.
No, because he's going to take off.
Look.
Go, Louis. Gio. Wait, don't go, Gio.
Man, let Gio scoot up a little
Look
bit.
at music. Look, press this.
Oh, shoot. Wait, Legend looking at his like, why mine don't do that?
It do. I got to put batteries in it.
Oh, his play music?
Yeah, his
Okay.
take like AAA batteries.
Get on, Lele.
I got to get.
Chance.
Alright. Go, you gotta press. Look. You gotta press
you
that
doing?
right there. No letting press this. Put your foot right here. Oh, shit.
I think Legends is.
It's fast.
Go, Lele. Go, y'all.
You gotta press
Go.
the foot. There you go, Gio.
Oh, Gio going. Don't hit our car, right? Wait, fix Legend.
Watch. You don't know how to
Oh, wait. Y'all hit this Escalade. We need to put them in a circle, baby. Oh, Gio going.
Hey, to stop it, you just gotta let your foot off the brake.
Oh, Gio. So to stop it, just take your feet off of the gas, okay? This is the gas. When you press that, that's the gas. That's what makes it go. When you want to stop, just take your foot off, Daddy said, okay? Go. You got this. Good job, Buki. Yay. That's their first little motorcycle. Their first electric motorcycle. We gassing it up after this. We gas, real gas. Got the next one coming. Go ahead.
That ain't the high speed.
Oh, it go faster?
It go faster.
Put your feet on it, Lele. Oh, he almost fell. We need their helmets. Baby, we need their helmets.
It's like a real motorcycle.
Put your feet on there, Lele. There you go. Put your feet on there. No. Put your feet. Go. Leave your feet on. Leave it on. Go. Good job. There you go.
Right, Gio. Look at Legend.
Turn it, Legend. Turn it. They should have had this with a remote. Turn it, Legend. Where you going? He trying to go down here, y'all.
Where you going? Turn it.
Baby.
Let me turn it.
He said stop.
I told you guys to get a little shit.
I see. That one go faster, Gio. You need the faster one. We had to tell him that, y'all, because Louis is having a harder time balancing on that one. So we switched them.
Real bikes, I don't mess with them. Might seem like a bike boy or something, but hey,
We not bikers.
we not
I'm
bikers.
scared too.
I don't danger my life with doing that shit. The toys and kids, I let them have it and play with it. But we are gonna get a dirt bike though, chance, so we can just ride that. But that's gonna be a dirt bike. We ride in dirt, right? But or the neighborhood or something like that. We ain't get on no highway. Legend. That fat going up the hill. Yeah, so yeah, they riding out, man. You riding, Gio? Oh, there go Louis. Woo. Whoa, don't crash. You riding? Yeah. You figure out how to put it on? Yeah, it's that shield, windshield. Yeah, you just clamp it.
I don't think I clamped it good.
Yeah, I clamp it. You gotta learn more than Gio balance because he younger. But Gio, he riding. Louis riding too though.
Thing one.
You gonna learn. Hey, press that right there. Crank it up. Boom.
What happened?
You got it. There it is. You out. Geo pressure, whatchamacallit? Press that. Look, that's the motorcycle sound. You got the Beamer key in there. Yeah. Man, they got a tag and everything. Baby, we gotta go to the tag office. Yeah. We gotta go to the tag office. They got tags though already.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
They got BMW stuff.
We gotta pay the license fee for the kids.
You gotta keep your feet on you, Pookie.
Baby, you gonna ride the dirt bike and get it? You know we gonna no, you know what I'm gonna get the oh, turn it, Gio. I'm gonna get the 3-wheel, the Spider.
I'll ride that.
Yeah, she wanna ride that Spider, y'all. That Spider. Yeah, I gotta caught one of them. Yeah, beautiful day, man. It's out here. It's a Saturday. Having fun with the kids. We do that during the week too, but we just waiting for the weather to break so we can take them out, man. So you already know they get home from school.
We was waiting for COVID to break.
Yeah. Right,
A little something.
right, for real. So we out here having fun, man. You know, enjoying this day.
Go ahead, Lulu.
Beautiful day. Fat ride. What are you doing? Legend ride.
We gotta bring out their Lambos.
Yeah, I know.
Tomorrow we bring out your Lambos. Oh, they got a hair appointment tomorrow.
Yeah, I got it. Gio, come back.
Gio, come back, Pookie.
You know, way down there. Yeah, yeah, I gotta charge up them Lambos, knock the dust off of them. Piece of tissue. That ain't all. All right, the dogs is out. Snow is out.
Say hi, Snow.
We got snow out here. Snow. Say what's up. Snow out here. Say what's up. Say what's up, Roman Empire. Dang, Fat don't got off. Fat say shoot. He want a dog now. Be careful. Look at Dakota. Trying to hop with 2 legs. She don't. Dakota don't hurt her. Oh, make it stop. The other dogs over there. They coming. Oh, you got to reverse. Let me see that. Let me see that. Bro. No. Whatever. I ain't sure how to reverse. All right, go.
Oh, my toe. Hey there, Tiny.
I guess you want to stay.
Tiny never really did like outside.
What you doing?
From day one. Y'all see them getting big?
What you doing?
Y'all see our Pookie's getting big? Where's oh. Yeah.
Oh, that's the coda.
That's snow right here. Yeah, that's Dakota.
Come on, Tony. You want to go play now?
Just leave her there, yeah, so they can stay together. We missing 2 dogs.
Yeah.
Gio over here doing it with no hands. Y'all show them your new trick, Gio. Show them. Hey, hey. Not when you turning though. Oh, ooh, that was close. Be careful, guys.
Be careful.
Show them, Gio.
No hands.
He was doing it. Well, you don't got no helmet, so let's not do that. We got another one coming out. Come on. Which one is this? Jackson. This is my baby. Hey, Jackson. I should have known it was you. Hey, Jackson. Hey, Jackson. Show them your beautiful eyes next to snow. Look at their eyes, y'all, too. These are blue eyes
That's
beauties.
Action Jackson right there.
Look, come here. Show them. Show
I
friends.
call him Action Jackson.
Show friends. Look at them eyes.
Tell him why I call you Action Jackson.
Why you on snow head, though?
Action Jackson, boy. Action Jackson. He be getting it all. He be getting everything. He be about that action. Action Jackson. He ain't gonna sit still.
No, he is. He is a mess.
Action Jackson.
Who you barking at?
That's why y'all can't crash each other. Be careful.
Who y'all barking at?
There you go. Right out. Wait. Let me turn this way. Right out.
We missing one more. Ooh, that almost was my toe.
Be careful.
Huh? Hey, how are you? Who's that?
We gotta go! We gotta go!
My dog, Polo. He don't listen though. You see him really all hyper energetic.
Now we got all 5 out. Now we have all 5 out. Hi, Polo. Hi, Polo. Wait, why his eyes look blue? They not blue?
Look, his leash is different.
Hi.
The other ones are too small.
Why you got on a pink leash, huh? Hi, Pookie. Are you outside pretty? Okay. He's stupid, man. He's silly. Look at these beauties. Where's mommy at, guys? Oh, yeah, Bella's in heat, you guys. We can't let her out. And we got to keep her separated from her children.
Blink to the music. That's what. Look at that.
Look at y'all. They're having a dance show.
Press it again.
This one is like, look,
They
he's
having a
getting
dance
out.
show. How they out here dancing?
Look at them. Go, y'all. Put the music on.
Music.
Hey.
And the lights flashing. Look at that, y'all. The lights flashing and the lights.
Hey. Get it, y'all. They're having a bike dance party.
Dance, Louie. Fat getting it. Gio getting it.
Look at that.
Get it, Louie. Get it, Gio.
Now get back on. Now get back on. Go ride out. Go. Wait.
Car coming. Ride.
Ride out.
Get back on.
Get back on now. That's how y'all do it. Y'all stop. Y'all get out. Y'all ride out. I mean, y'all stop. Y'all dance and then y'all ride out. Be careful, Lulu. You okay?
You okay, Louie? Okay.
Wait for thing 3.
Ride. I ain't have to tell him that time. He fast it. I ain't have to put his feet. Ride out.
All right, you guys, so we got all them babies inside the house because they was acting out here, you guys. Birthday gift was late. I ordered it late, but it's finally here. It is here. Chancey, you ready? Where's Sissy at? You ready, Chance?
Wait a minute. No, you can't mess up the new shoes now. No. I'm not letting these things freeze. I'm not letting them.
How you know it's shoes, Brown?
They're supposed to shake the box.
How you know it's shoes? Let me see. Where did it come from?
Daddy. These are shoes.
Because the
Let me
kids
see.
always snooping around.
Let me see. Hold on.
They be snooping around.
Where did they come from? What store? I'm not trying to show my
Trying to
address.
find out what we got.
Okay, let's open the box. Let's just see.
Let's just open it.
Let's see if they're shoes.
Open it right here.
He think it's shoes. What do you think they are, Shania?
This on Snapchat.
You think they're shoes too? He talking about getting on Snapchat. They're like the same height.
Get clothes.
Get close. My address is there. Our address.
Rip off the tape then.
No, just go ahead. Open it.
Well, open it.
You gotta get that.
I got it.
Give it to Daddy. Uh-oh.
So. Okay. The Jordan box. I'm gonna keep this safe.
Jordan box. Got some clothes, boy. They ain't no shoes.
Keep this safe. You ready?
Uh-oh. Hold on.
Yeah.
What store those came from? That's what I'm trying to find out.
Retro. No. Wait. What's it at?
That's weird. It don't say where it came from. You know, I bought this from the Fight Club. It's supposed to say it. The Flight Club, I mean, club.
Yeah, flight. Take all the flight
I'm gonna do
school.
it now. Oh, okay.
The Flight Club mean they are original as I don't know what, you guys.
Sign.
Oh.
Flight Club right here. There it is, the tag.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Flight Club.
Hey. Oh, those are nice. Those are nice.
Oh, look. No, you're not wearing
Gum bottoms. Got the gum bottoms.
Flight Club. Those are nice.
Yeah, those are nice. You like?
Those are dope.
Yup. I love them.
What color are these? Like a purple blue?
Yep. No, blue. They're blue.
Those are dope.
Yeah, it's like a. It is like a purple blue or something.
No, it's
What size are these? I hope I got you.
7.5. I think it said.
Oh no, I should have probably got you an 8.
Yeah, I probably need it.
You-
It's fine. I can fit them. I can fit them. These.
I
are,
hope
these
so,
are 7.
cause guys,
Yeah.
there was like a upcharge
sure you
price
never
on these.
Yeah, the way the tips is made, he'll fit them because it's not pointy.
Yeah, that's-
Oh, I love the
DJ's not
material. They
pointy.
like suede.
Yeah, DJ's not pointy.
I could fit these.
See if you fit them, Chance.
You're not wearing
These
Move
fives,
up.
retro
Cause she talking about
fives.
she could fit them. Give him his birthday gift.
You want crease them?
They retro
you
fives.
Try them on.
Yeah, I need crease guards so they don't get creased up.
Retro
Yeah,
fives.
right. You gonna crease them anyway.
No, I'm not. I'm not running these.
Oh, I forgot. You know what? You right. Cause you like to be barefoot.
What you got
What?
written? Girls write stuff on your thing, boy. What you got on
I don't know.
there? Yeah, I love Sam. Man.
That's what that say?
I don't know who
What it say?
Sam is.
That girl.
Let me see.
girl
Her
down
name's
the
not
street.
Sam. Her name's
Let
not
me
Sam.
see. What your
What it
hand
say?
say?
What it say
Her
right
name's
there?
Sarah.
What it say?
I don't know, ma. Y'all leave me
Oh,
alone.
you got
Yeah.
Y'all leave me
coin.
alone.
I love. Wait, stop,
I'm
Chance.
not even dating her though.
I love Sam.
I'm not even
What?
dating her.
These little girls
that?
is fast, boy. They,
I don't know who
they
they are.
writing on y'all now. We gotta talk about that when this video's over. Y'all, we gonna
get no
talk about that.
Don't
We
get no
about to talk
tattoos.
about this, you guys. So
Yeah,
we
we
be
gotta
back.
have a talk.
Actually going down the street.
Her name's Sarah.